Hello everyone, today I'm going to show you how to make this lovely summery type of bracelet. Use material and a charm. You may notice recently I made lots of face masks to show people how to make face masks, and over time I had loads of material left. I suddenly got the idea what I can do with all the leftover materials, especially this really pretty and thin material as well. I had the idea to make a bracelet. Now I'm going to show you how to make a bracelet from all this piece of material left over. Hope you're going to enjoy it and learn something new from me with all the raw materials, so we can recycle it, make something really pretty. Okay, let's start it. What we need to do, we need to cut it this size, 3 centimeter width and 20 centimeter in length. All this size will according to your own wrist, and for me that half size will do. Then I will need to cut some after we finish it. If you need a big size, you obviously need to cut a bit longer. Okay, I had pre-cut it already. That's them 3 color. That's them 3 color being cut it. 320, you can see the size, like that. 3 times 20. Now we're going to start to make it. Okay, to make it, I need you fold it in half. Fold it like that. Okay, once you fold it, we need to sew them. Okay, I need you sew them like that, this way, and here as well. Okay, that will be okay. Sew it. Okay, not this side, but you sew it all the way and then turn it around this way as well. So you're going to fold it. You can see that's the front, that's the back. We need them all. That's all in front now. We need all folded in half. If we can iron it first, when go on the sewing machine will be a lot easier. You just sew it roughly like that. When they go on the sewing machine will be a lot easier for you to do the work. Okay. Oh, we all complete that. Make sure that's the inside, that's backwards. We're going to sew the back. Okay. Okay, remind you, sew from there, and seal up on one side as well. Okay, now we finish all the stitching. Now you can see I sealed one end and stitch the up, and the another side is open. Now we're going to turn it inside out. Okay, to turn it inside out, that's why I left here sealed. You need to stick a chopstick or anything like that. You need push it through so it's easily turned inside out. Sometimes a bit tricky, might take a few attempts. So what you need to do is just push it through like that. You push your angle, goes through like that. You can see it will turn inside out quite easily. Yeah, like that. So you turn. This basic idea that it will be look like a cord or ribbon. Really, my idea is okay. That's you done one. It's start with a bit tricky. Just make an angle and be patient. That's all. Yeah, you will get there. Need to be thin enough. You can use strong wire as well, but make sure the wire been covered. Use tape or something, otherwise you might damage the material. That's 2. That's 3. That's all the what all been done. Now we can work on it to make they're basically like lock bracelets, one on your arm. That's my idea, to make it more luxury and more beautiful. I found some 3 of them charm, bit like a Pandora type of charm with big hole. So each bracelet, each this type thing, each we'll call it ribbon or something like that. You can put a charm on. Yeah. Because this cord look quite big, it might stay in place. Just push them in really. They're not necessarily always stuck in the middle, but because it's 3, make it uneven, could be quite nice. So that's the idea. 1, 2, 3. It could be all like that over time on your wrist. Now we're gonna just seal the 2 ends with 2 clips like them. We just seal it up. Okay, what you can do is you just do 1, 2, 3 like that. You can cut it neatly like that, and it's nothing fancy. Just do that and clip it on. And do the same thing to the other side. Before you do it, you might want to measure your size. You might want to measure your side. So yeah, I just cut the end will do. That's the size I need. Just cut the end, that will do. Neatly. This clip needs to open up. Okay, another side you just use the same clip and then clip it on. After you clip on, you need a metal clip with open ring. find a clip with open ring, and clip it on, and here then you click on there. It just should be a really beautiful bracelet like that. I'll wear it. Okay, that's a result of bracelets I just made. Quite summery and nice. All the charm don't have to be one place. They could be anywhere they like, really. Unlikely they're going to move because material is not that smooth. I hope you enjoy this tutorial. If you like it, please put a like on, subscribe as well. Thank you very much. Bye.